Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's talk about cloth diapering. So today I want to show you guys the diapers that I use and a couple of my favorite products. There are so many different types of cloth diapers you can use, different wipes, there's so many different options, but I just want to talk to you guys about what I use and what I prefer and what works best for us and our family. So we use Alvababy cloth diapers, which was recommended to me by a friend. So they have two different sizes in the pocket diapers. This is the newborn, and this is what they call the one size, which can actually fit your baby from newborn all the way up until they're out of diapers. So I had a really small baby, so I started with the newborn, but you don't have to. There is a newborn hack that you can use to use this one size diaper on your newborn. So I'll put the link up here. You guys can click and watch that video if you're interested in finding out how you can use this bigger diaper on your newborn babies. That way you don't have to buy these smaller diapers. So it's kind of your preference. So two of my absolute favorite products for cloth diapering are this Alvababy diaper and all over balm. You guys can see this is awesome. I use it every single time I change a diaper. And then the other one is this Assembly rash relief cream, which is cloth safe. So besides the actual diapers, this Alvababy diaper and all over balm is my absolute favorite cloth diapering product. So it just, the top pops right off, and it's a push-up, so you can just push it up as you need it. So we got this when our son was born. Actually, a friend purchased it for me. It was the best gift she could have given us because we use it with every single diaper change, and we have since my son was born. So this particular tube is 4 months old. So, and it's still not gone all the way. As you can tell, we still have quite a bit left. So this will probably, that's probably half. That'll probably last us, I would say, at least another 4 months. We've used it with every single diaper change so far, just to keep the balm on his skin. It acts as a barrier, and he has never had a diaper rash ever. So this stuff is super awesome. He did have a little bit of redness one time. I wouldn't say it was diaper rash, but in that case, the balm wasn't quite enough to take it away. This is more of like a protectant. So I did purchase this Assembly rash relief cream, and up here in the corner it says cloth safe. So you can use it with your cloth diapers, and it doesn't leave any residue or compromise the absorption of them at all. So I would highly recommend this. Both of these can be purchased on Amazon. So this one, I used this when he had the little bit of redness, and it was gone within 24 hours. So this stuff is super good as well. I would highly recommend both of these. If you're going to cloth diaper, these are two items that are a must-have. You're going to definitely want both of these. This Assembly cream is really thick, so you only need a tiny little bit. A little bit goes a long ways. So as you can tell, it comes out pretty thick. You can just put a thick layer on the redness or rash, and it goes away really fast. So you don't need much at all. So this tube is going to last you an extremely long time. If you're using this with every diaper change, it's going to be highly unlikely that you need this Assembly cream, but I would get it as a backup just in case you do have a bad diaper rash. You're going to want to have this on hand. If you guys have any questions, put them down in the comment box, and I'll either answer them by responding, or I'll make a video if it involves a more in-depth answering of the question. I'll link all my favorite products in the description box if you guys are interested in purchasing them. So this here is my cloth diaper setup. This is my changing table. These are my cloth wipes. I have a little how-to video I'll link up here if you guys are interested in watching that. And then these are my diapers here. I just stack them up so I have them readily accessible whenever I need them. And that's it. This is the Diaper Dekor, another absolute fantastic product if you are going to cloth diaper. I also got this from Amazon. Well, I got it off my baby registry, but I registered for it on Amazon. So it has a little step button here. If you step here, it'll open up the pail, and then it's got a little thing that kind of seals to keep the smell out. Sometimes the liner gets a little bit stuck. Also, if anybody's familiar with these, you know that if you aren't careful, you will shred your knuckles off right here. This can be quite sharp, but minor detail, just be careful. So yeah, you can just drop the diaper right in, and then it does come with plastic bag liners that you can use, but since I cloth diaper, obviously I love being environmentally friendly. I do prefer to use cloth liners. So there's a little button here, you can pop it open, and I have 2 cloth bags that I swap in and out. Obviously just pull the one full of dirty diapers out on diaper day, wash them, just put in the new liner. So there's a button here you can push. A little difficult to do with one hand, but if you step on it here, push it in, this whole thing pops up. There you go. It's much easier with 2 hands. Obviously one-handed is a little more difficult, but yeah, so it pops right up, and as you can see, my cloth liner's in there. There is a plastic piece that pulls out. With this, you just put the top of the bag right over it, pop it right down in. Very simple. Close the lid, push that button back down in, adjust the bottom here, close the door, and you're good to go. I haven't had any issues with smell with this pail. Even poopy diapers, a couple days, you don't smell anything. This, I would highly recommend this if you are going to do cloth diapers. I do rinse out my poopy diapers before I throw them in here, just to help them from staining and obviously to keep the smell down. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this. I'll put the link down in the description box if you guys are interested in purchasing this. There are different sizes. I believe this is the middle size one. I think the classic one is the biggest one. I do wish I would have went with that. It's just slightly bigger. But with cloth diapers, you want to take them out a little more frequently anyways. So I wash diapers about every other day, which seems to be what works for us. So they're not sitting for too long, and you're getting them clean as quick as possible. Another one of my favorite items for cloth diapering is this drying rack that I got off Amazon. I put my diaper liners on this to dry instead of putting them in the dryer because it really preserves the life of them and makes them last a lot longer. So I put all the diaper liners on here to dry, and then I throw the inserts in the dryer because it's winter right now, but in the summer I'll be hanging all of them on a clothesline out in the sun just so it can kind of bleach out the stains from the diapers. So yeah, that's what I do. But this is perfect for the winter time, especially if you live somewhere that's cold in the winter months. So yeah, you can get this on Amazon. I will put the link in the description box if you guys are interested. You can fit a lot of diapers on here. I wash about 15 to 25 at one time. That's just like a good load size that washes well. Everything comes nice and clean. It's not too much in the washer at once. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this YouTube video. If you really liked what you saw, if you could take a moment to subscribe to this channel, and let me know if there's any more cloth diaper content that you'd like to see. I can make videos on how I clean the diapers, how I wash them, how I make my cloth wipes, any number of things that you guys want to see, you have questions about, you want to know more in depth, please let me know. I would love to answer your questions. Like I said, I'm really passionate about this. I love using cloth diapers because they don't have the environmental impact that disposable diapers do, and the cost savings is astronomical. So a couple different reasons to cloth diaper for sure. Even if you're using a couple while you're at home and you use disposable the rest of the time, every cloth diaper that you use is having a big impact on the environment and keeping one more disposable diaper out of the landfill. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. Have a great day.